We have some dragon fruits over here. That's one over there. And those are, I don't know what is that. Tas meron dun. That's one. And right there. Ayun. We have 3. 1, 2, 3 na ripe. Almost ripe. And 1. Where's that one? Ayun. Hindi pa siya ganong ripe. Right there. And this is saluyot. La, 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 la. Hi Ethan, how are you? We're having merienda, afternoon snack, and we have here banana cake and kamote, sweet potato, and some
musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you
and Ethan had some yogurt, and we have more banana bread here. Sunog. What are you playing?
Gold Run.
Gold Run. Oh, but let's stop. Do you like your Gold Run game?
Yes.
Happy birthday, Tatay! Ethan, you say happy birthday na karot.
Bigyan mo na yung regalo mo.
Oh, where's your gift? You give to Tatay na yung gift mo.
Anong sabihin, ma? Anong sabihin, ma?
What will you tell to Tatay?
Anong sasabihin mo kay tatay? Dasa pa rin tanong mo.
Pizza! Manok! Pansit!
Pag-wish ka pa na, tapanuno mo.
Okay, blow the candle, Tatay! Happy birthday! O, i-open na yung gift mo muna.
Sabihin mo,
Open mo na yung gift mo.
Tao? Ano ba ito?
Let's see what's inside.
Kaya makakapicture na ito.
Ha, ano naman?
Ay, dyan may show na kita. Lahat ko naman. Lilo ka. Malilay mo lang.
La 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 la.
Ano dyan? Wow!
Ano yan? Pakita mata ka naman.
Meron ba?
Earbuds. Ethan, what do you say to Tatay?
Picture kami mo, Mark.
Ano ka? Sing back! Hi, good morning. Where are you? Oh yeah? But why you didn't get all your your shovels? You only took 2? Naglamisa pala danom. Sabi ni po, pwede ka malaan. Gure ka ah. Mabasa to yung cellphone ko, tang. No! Hi!
Maat.
Sinong maat? Who is maat?
We're in Vitalis. Maat. I need
Amo
to
naman,
go.
hindi pa. Where are you going? Galing mag-swimming.
Naging kisibok ko. Char!
Okay, go.
To Ethan, happy birthday from Nanay. To Ethan, to Ethan Miguel from Mommy and Daddy. To Ethan Miguel, happy birthday from Tita Ganda Busol. Happy birthday. To Ethan, happy birthday from Tatay.
What else?
To Ethan Miguel. To Ethan Miguel, happy birthday from Tita Diane. To Ethan Miguel, happy birthday from Kuya Ice. To Ethan Miguel, happy birthday, we love you from Daddy and Mommy.
Are you ready to open your gift? Okay, wait lang. We will put this behind. Wait lang.
Today is the birthday.
Okay, you can open your gift there.
Kaarawan ni
Ethan.
sa September 27, kaarawan ni
Kaarawan ko. Oh, you open na garage yung gift mo.
Are you happy to open?
Bring that one to Doha.
It's not nice in Doha, Daddy.
Oh, it's nice. It's safe here. No problem.
That's
Excited, tatay pa lang. Okay, that's from Tita Ganda, ha? Say thank you to her. That's very nice. Ay. What's that? I'm so excited.
Wow! What's...
Happy birthday. Ethan, you can press that. You can delete. Then you get your pen. Oh, you get your pen. And then you can color. You can draw. Go, try. Oh, wow! Is it nice?
See, hindi ka na magrurunat ng papel.
Gusto niya na kaagad.
Wow!
Nice. You
Oh.
like it? You can draw there.
What is it?
Ay, nawala!
Apple.
Ala, nawala! Wow! Oh, see? Very nice na, anak. What will you say to Tita Ganda?
Mommy, I want that also.
What will you say to Tita Ganda, anak?
Wala, very wow.
Okay, are you done?
Daddy, lang yung Crayola ko lang.
Oh, you open na yung gift. Ang dami pang gift na bubuksan, oh.
You have a lot of dreams na.
Hindi mo lang marin yan.
I have 24 crayons.
Four.
I have now 24
Yeah,
crayons in the dining table.
Wow.
What's there?
Woo!
Wow! I want to become a doctor and a guru.
Oh, very good. Dual profession. You wanna be a doctor and a teacher. Okay. Why you wanna be a doctor? Bakit gusto mo maging doctor, anak?
Kasi may sakit yung nanay ko.
Ay, wow. Very good. Kasi may sakit daw yung nanay niya. At someday, si Ethan yung manggagamot. Okay, very good. Next.
Here you go.
Apa.
Saya. Good morning.
Good morning. It's 7 o'clock.
Is it? No, it's still early. Not 7. Maybe 6:59. Welcome to the beautiful place of Ayaot. Why did you take that?
Nice.
Nagsapan nakalaban ni Anan.
We are far from the house.
Yung magpipicture ka pero nag-video ka na lang. Hi! No, this is a video, love. Sige mag-walk ka Papunta dito.
I need you.
You need me. Bakit? Nay.
Si Mob.
Turkey. What's that? Ano yan?
It's a dog.
Duck ba yan? Hindi ba geese?
Hindi, chicken yan. No. Yes, there are ducks.
Paraping, bertung.
May bahay Vitalis.
Uy! Nagbang na jili na bandan.
Dapat na lang sa iyo, kamuha. Kurang.